Speaking modern advanced combat tools. The Ukrainian armed forces have been actively using French-made Caesar self-propelled weapons. Operation with modern systems is in dire need with this advanced weapon. One of the types of weapons that Ukraine relies on is the Caesar self-propelled artillery. What is a self-propelled artillery installation? Howitzers with artillery systems on wheeled or tracked bases, which have a high degree of mobility. As we know, this artillery system is used as a combat tool, usually firing with indirect fire. At the time of conducting the target by aiming at the target, such as most other modern self-propelled howitzers or armored vehicles. In modern combat, the ACS on self-propelled bases, designed for direct fire support, from tanks and infantry in combat, performs artillery support tasks for mobile formations, and leads to enemy tank targets. Caesar self-propelled artillery installations are known to have existed for a long time, and continue to increase until they develop today. This artillery system can not only protect troops from fire, but also deliver cannon blows to the enemy, which is not inferior to the capabilities of standard stationary howitzers. The Caesar artillery system is a 155mm self-propelled cannon, developed by the company Nexter Systems, in cooperation with Lohr Industry, from Hengenbieten, France. Five artillery pieces were ordered by the French Army, first delivered in June 2003, for technical and operational evaluation. In December 2004, it received a contract of 72 Caesar self-propelled guns, to equip 8 ground artillery batteries of the French Army, to replace the TRF-1 tow howitzer. The 6x6 wheeled Caesar self-propelled howitzer, can be operated by 4 to 5 people, has a combat weight of more than 17 tons, with dimensions of 10 meters in length, 3.7 meters in height, and 2.55 meters in width. After the new upgrade, the weight of the 8x8 wheeled Caesar combat system is 32 tons, it has a length of 12.3 meters, a height of 3.1 meters, and a width of 2.8 meters, with a capacity still remains the same 4 to 5 people. Design and features of Caesar. The Caesar 6x6 artillery system was developed from the previous F-155-3AM gun, on the chassis of the AMX-13 light tank. The Caesar self-propelled gun is equipped with all the necessary systems for independent operation. The cockpit of this artillery protected 6 operating forces from shrapnel and small arms, the initial supply of 16 rounds of ammunition, as well as instruments for navigation, aiming, ballistic calculations and commands. Specially designed Caesar system, in order to provide fire support, to the rapid deployment forces. Armament of Caesar self-propelled guns. French self-propelled artillery mount, equipped with a long barrel of 155mm caliber 52, which can maintain the rate of fire. Furthermore, this artillery fire works with 6 rounds to 8 rounds per minute, in continuous fire mode, or 3 rounds in 15 seconds in fast fire mode. According to information, the 155mm Caesar self-propelled howitzer donated by the French has shown to be very effective when used by Ukrainian troops to destroy Russian tanks, BMD air infantry, combat vehicles and trucks. The artillery has a fast-hit technology fire control system, developed by Nexter and EADS Defense Electronics, and the Intertechnique ROB-4 radar system. Ammunition receives an automatic hydraulic system of stacking shells and automatic loading. The first projectile is automatically sent to the barrel, which can be launched in less than a minute. The configuration of the weapon system and the availability of hydraulic drive, allowing to fire after the first shot in about 30 seconds. The upgraded system of 8 vehicles, Caesar's self-propelled artillery can fire more than 1 ton of shells, 1,500 bombs, or 48 smart anti-tank ammunition, at a distance of up to a range of more than 40 kilometers, in less than a minute. For ammunition, Caesar was able to use a whole arsenal of ammunition of 155mm caliber, which was in service with NATO, and allowed troops to shoot targets at the enemy, which were protected and unprotected. This advanced artillery is also capable of creating obstacles to block enemy armored forces, passages in minefields and field barriers, as well as embezzlement. Caesar self-propelled installation, firing conventional high-explosive fragmentation, or a new generation of projectiles, which ensures the highest increase in accuracy and efficiency.